Let me break down why food smells can stick around in your mouth, even after rinsing like crazy. It is a lot weirder than you might think. First, consider what happens when you eat something with a strong odor, like onions or coffee. The smells are not just on your tongue. They are actually made of tiny molecules. These molecules are called volatile compounds. They are small, lightweight, and designed to travel easily in the air. That is how we smell them in the first place. But here is the cool part. As you chew, these smelly molecules get mixed with your spit, stick to soft tissues, and even sneak into the grooves between your teeth. It starts with your tongue, which is not just a flat surface. There are all kinds of nooks, taste buds, and crevices where those smelly molecules can hide out. And it is not just the tongue. The inside of your cheeks, gums, and roof of your mouth are basically like a cozy sponge for odors. Rinsing with water, it helps a bit, but water just rolls past most of those grooves. Picture trying to wash peanut butter out of a sponge with a quick tap. It is not enough. Some of the molecules are oily or fat-based. Think garlic or certain spices. Oil and water do not mix, so rinsing your mouth with only water leaves much of it behind. Even after rinsing, many of these smell molecules cling to the proteins in your saliva or the lining of your mouth. That is why breath mints or gum can sometimes help more. They physically rub the surfaces and mask or remove molecules. Now, imagine your breath as a gentle breeze. When you talk or breathe out, that breeze lifts leftover smell molecules from your soft tissues and launches them out for the world to smell. But why cannot we just brush it all away? Turns out, even brushing and scraping cannot always get deep into the tiny cracks or remove all the lingering oils. Plus, some volatile compounds can be absorbed directly into your blood while you eat. They circle around in your body and can end up exhaled from your lungs hours later. This is why you sometimes wake up the next morning still with garlic or coffee breath. Those molecules journeyed from your blood back to your mouth while you slept. Let us go further. Your natural oral bacteria love to feed on leftover particles. As they chow down, they produce even more smelly compounds. So after the coffee's gone, your mouth's ecosystem is still working overtime, digesting what is left and sending out new waves of odor long after you have swallowed. The environment matters too. If your mouth is dry, maybe from talking a lot, breathing through your mouth, or certain meds, you do not rinse away smells as well because saliva is like nature's cleaning crew. So, rinsing with water helps only a little. Scraping with a tongue cleaner or chewing sugar-free gum actually helps more by scraping away and soaking up what water cannot reach. Mouthwashes help sometimes by containing alcohol or antiseptics, but even they mostly mask the odor temporarily unless they also break down the smelly molecules. Ultimately, time is what really gets rid of lingering smells. Over hours you swallow, make more saliva, and gradually clear out those stubborn particles and molecules. So the bottom line? Food smells stick around because their molecules hide deep in your mouth, cling to oils and proteins, and even get into your blood. Rinsing helps a little, but patience, saliva, and a good cleaning routine are your best shot at fighting back.